Welcome to RC&Z Balloons. Today we will be demonstrating a rose gold balloon garland kit that is suitable for various occasions. Let's start. This fun and easy DIY balloon garland kit will include various sizes of pearl peach, rose gold, pearl white and gold confetti balloons. It also comes with a 5 meters decorating strip, 100 glue dots, 10 meters ribbon and easy to follow instructions for easy installation. First step. Blow up all the balloons with balloon inflator. Next. Release the 5 meters plastic decorating strip. Insert different sizes and colors balloons in adjacent holes. Pro tips: insert from the bigger holes and push to the smaller holes for better secure. Repeat the process till desired design. Apply the glue dots on the balloons. Glue dots are an easy tool for you to create beautiful balloon decorations. Use the smaller balloons to fill the gaps. Lastly, use the ribbon tie and secure to area to meet your intended effect. And lastly, a beautiful balloon garland is ready to impress your visitors. These are some examples of the balloon garland designs. Thank you for watching. We hope you like this balloon garland. For more different color balloon garland kits, please visit www.rcnzballoons.com.